Do you own a first or second generation Viper RT10? Do you wear funny pants and like to golf? Is this really where you put the clubs when you go golfing? I mean, that's all fine and dandy if you're playing with yourself. As someone who constantly hears the Viper is impractical, I'm here to show you the tips and tricks to fitting not just one, but two standard size golf bags in the trunk of this car. And the most important and easiest tip I can give is to put all the long clubs into the larger bag and put the larger bag in first. How we're going to do this is we're going to take the golf bag and turn it sideways and slide it in this way. Watch. That's set number one. For set number two, I'm merely going to repeat the process this end in this way, front end in here. There you have it, set number two. And that's how I fit two standard size golf bags in a completely impractical sports car. Thanks for watching. For video purposes, this is a Gen 2 Viper. That's the Gen 2 Viper, even not for video purposes.